Hey, Tripp here from trippadvice.com. Here's the situation. A lot of guys are getting this one mistake wrong when they're in the bedroom with the girl. Seriously, most guys are getting this wrong. How do I know? Well, because I hear from you guys all the time. I'm on coaching calls with you guys all the time. I hear from my friends all the time. This is a big issue, and I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. You are too focused on the outcome. What else is new? A lot of guys, a lot of people in general are always focused on the outcome, not just in sexual situations, but basically in any situations in general. You're focused on the end result, and as the cliche goes, you're not focused on the journey. But this is true, so true, especially when you're with a girl in bed. The problem is that most people think sex is this journey to the climax, right? It's like you are doing things to make yourself climax, to make the girl climax, like you're trying to get to that end result, because that's what sex is, right? But no, that is the wrong way to look at it. And if you look at it like that, you're gonna get yourself in a lot of trouble. A lot of guys have erectile dysfunction because of this, that they're so in their head, that they're focused so on the outcome. Right? A lot of guys end up not pleasing their woman as much as she would want, and even you being pleased yourself when you're focused on the climax, on the outcome. So what you need to do is you need to get rid of the whole mindset that sex leads somewhere and instead think of it more like an experience. You're probably thinking, well, Tripp, I don't get it. What is sex if it's just the experience? I mean, isn't the good feeling come when you're at the part where there's an orgasm? Like, isn't the point to get there? And like I'm saying, no, it isn't. Instead, I want you to focus on you and focus on your partner or the girl that you're with and enjoying the moment before you get to the end. So a lot of that is gonna have to do with focusing on foreplay. It's gonna have to do with going very slow, right? A lot of guys do have premature ejaculation problems. And that is, again, because, well, they're hypersensitive to the situation that's going on, and they're not moving slow and focusing on the experience. And you might be asking, well, Tripp, I don't get it. Why can't I focus on the outcome? Why is that such a big deal? Well, like I just said, there's premature ejaculation, there's erectile dysfunction, things like that that you might have issues with, but also you want to be able to have an experience that she can derive pleasure from. And so if you're just focused on the outcome, yes, that feels good, the climax feels good, but really you want the experience as a whole to be memorable, to be something that you guys look forward to, and it's not just, something that happens really quickly. Of course, there's a time and a place for quick sex, and that's fine too, but creating that experience and really getting to know her in the bedroom and her getting to know you in the bedroom creates a deeper intimacy between the two of you. And even if it is a one-night stand or something that's really quick, still you're gonna have a better time lengthening the process between you two and focusing on the moments between and before you guys have that orgasm. Plus, here's the big benefit. The climax, the end of the session between you two is gonna be that much more pleasurable when you're taking your time and when you're going slow, okay? There's been some studies that have shown that the average sexual experience lasts anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes. That's really short. That's really short. And unless you plan on having more sex that day, still, that's a very short time. So think about going slow, taking your time, having fun, experimenting with different things that you might be interested in, that she's interested in. Look at it more like something you guys are doing together that's fun, that's an activity, than something to just get done. So my tip to you is increase the length of what you guys are doing together. Kiss for longer. Do foreplay for more longer. Take the clothes off slower. All the parts that are happening in your sexual experience, just make it a little bit longer. That's it. Very simple. Now, if you're having trouble with initiating this sexual experience and getting her turned on and making her want to be with you sexually, I have a free video for you called Tripp's Tension Technique. You can watch that and you can see a live demonstration of how to build the tension between you and a woman so she gets turned on. So check that out. That is for free. It's down in the description below. Watch that. I'll see you in the comments and I'll see you on the next video.